Hello, friends. Oh, somebody's sad. Maya, Marcy will be back. Okay, it's just a garage sale. It's a church sale. Weird day. We've never been to a church sale here. We've heard about this church having big sales. Don't know if I'll be able to shoot any video in there because right now I'm cameraless. My GoPro crashed.
Back right bit it rocks.
Let's do some damage, buy some stuff.
It's actually I think that one is
Your son did?
Did it look nice on you? That is cute.
Lay your books over here on the table.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah, those are pretty, because I haven't seen too many. Yeah, the ones, they don't do all of them.
I think I got my GoPro back. It's acting really weird though. Let's find out. Okie dokie. Right away I found this avocado green vase. And in my mind you can't go wrong with the avocado green stuff. I've sold ashtrays, glasses, plates. Looked around for a few other things here. Didn't find much. These blue glasses are really pretty, but I don't know anything about that color of blue. So I decided to leave them behind. And this is where Marcy says, that avocado green vase is not worth anything. You're an idiot. But look, I found this pumpkin. So anyway, I had my questions about the vase anyway. This drum was used by Dave Grohl, but $45 was just a little steep. So I left it. Trying to get Marcy's attention here. Shove the camera in her face. Eye contact, and she's gone. Okay. But hello, what's this? Anchor hocking. I love anchor hocking. I like it better than Pyrex or Corel or any other glassware. I just think it's easy to ship and beautiful. It's a little lunchtime crock pot, which I thought was interesting. You're supposed to put your lunch in there and then take it to work, plug it in, and it'll be hot by the time you eat your lunch. But $5 seemed like a lot for that little thing. And Marcy approved of my anchor hocking, thankfully. Looking at the glasses, seeing if there's any good names in here. And then, oh, there's my son. Little Kajagoogoo reference. I don't even know how you say the band name. We just spent the rest of our time in the store trying on random eyeglasses. Not a lot in that store. Hope you enjoyed that voiceover because I know I had to do one. Listen to the lovely voiceover as the store plays copyrighted music. Did you find books?
Yes. I'd never heard of them before, and I saw that they had like the whole series, so I looked them up, and yeah.
Rock and roll.
I paid $2 because it was $1 a bag.
What are we doing?
Maya, come here.
I didn't know if we were gonna walk down to the other.
Oh, down there? No, just drive down.
Saturday, 9 to 3.
Oh.
It's 11,
It must be closed today.
but it's dark.
Okay. I'll go up to the one up on top.
I guess.
For 120.
Howdy, handsome. Had to be done, Mars. Hello.
Oh. Back for years. I ain't kidding you. It's like one of the video store. Like, hey, there it is.
Uh-huh.
I'm starting to think of video store closed down.
It could be.
It's kind of like winning a small lottery. Man, you just saw one and you fought for forever.
Drill.
I've looked for that a million times too. And I finally found it at a garage sale one day.
See, I got a stack like this downstairs.
Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about.
Coach, I don't have to put it back in that case.
Doesn't have the lid though. Still digging?
Yep, going through this old tote.
This was plumb full, plus I got other totes full.
There's a good series too, Lonesome Dove.
Crap, there's still 2 layers in there.
It smells than I want.
Oh, I smell it for me.
Yeah.
It's me.
Oh, you smell nice.
Thank you. Oh, did you look at all these upside down ones? Oh.
No, I don't know. Like
Out to the car.
Oh, he's over here.
Oh,
I'm leaving now.
taking a nap. Pearl in a can.
Are you done?
Here, you wanna set that stuff
Oh,
over
where'd
here?
you find those?
Down there.
Oh, I missed them. I suppose I am.
Oh, okay.
You didn't want to dig through these, did you?
I put that tote right in the way.
You're fine.
Thought we might find some old horror movies or something.
Oh, well, you want to look for them quick?
I don't know. So much work.
Found what you're looking for.
What year is that from?
Yeah, perhaps.
How do I get out of here? What are you doing?
My job. So what did we do? We went to a church sale and 3 thrift stores? Well, you went to 3 thrift stores.
No,
No,
just 2.
just 2 thrift stores.
Because that one was closed.
And then that guy with the permanent garage sale.
Yeah, well, yeah. I guess you could call that a thrift store, but
He calls it a garage sale. I think he's just a reseller. But
yeah, he is. He goes to auctions, pick stuff up, and then I go and buy stuff from him.
yeah, he sells it cheap still. So
Yeah.
what did we find, Marcella? That's not her name.
This is the book series I was telling you about. So I paid $2 for the whole. This is the American Adventure.
Women can vote now?
I guess. So I paid $2 for all these books, and I'd never heard of that series, but I did. I looked it up when I was at the store, and I was pleasantly surprised at how well they do. So I grabbed them all.
Neat.
Yeah. And then I don't know what year this is from, but this is a nice one because it's nice and thick.
What's in it? Fingernail?
No,
Looks like a fingernail.
it's not
No.
crayon. Oh yeah. I have a set of these yet. So I
Is it
still
Anchor?
have for sale. Yeah, these are Fire King, Anchor Hawking Fire King. There's 3. There were 3 for $1.
Those are good colors too.
Yeah, well they're cool for fall right now.
There's a little
Well,
chip on that yellow one.
What? Oh. Dang it. I didn't see that before. This is a acrylic baby blanket. It's vintage, made in Japan.
Sweet.
I grabbed 2 of these. I don't know if they still make these or not. I have to look them up. They're only 25 cents a piece, so I know they're worth a lot more than that. Oh, you found this.
Oh yeah, my Anchor Hawking.
And this matches a snack set that we already have that I gotta get listed.
Are you gonna put that with it, or wouldn't it? Or do you want to just sell it?
I don't know. I'll have to look at it.
This is all we got from the church sale.
Yeah.
One stocking.
One Christmas stocking. And you got some books.
Excuse me. Yes, I got some books.
Did you want to show your book?
I do. These 2 are for me. I like the Jack Reacher books. And I just don't have enough books to read right now.
And we don't have access to a library.
That's right. And then these I got to sell. I got some other ones I picked up recently too. And I'll bundle up some of these old sports books. And look at that. Jim McMahon.
Oh my gosh.
No glasses. No sunglasses.
I would not have recognized him.
There's the fridge. I think that's Tony Dorsett. I'm not sure who that is. But anyway. Oh, that's dirty. I didn't realize how dirty that was.
Oh yeah, that's really dusty.
Punisher hat, that's kind of for me. Because I'm cool like that.
This is a grease catcher. A grease holder.
Oh.
I've done really well with these before. It was only $1. And it's really clean.
Nice. And then we found a bunch of rock CDs. Cream. Beastie Boys. I guess that's not rock. Joan Jett. AC/DC. Ooh, that's a good one. I know there's some GNR in there. ZZ Top.
That was Beastie Boys.
Another Beastie Boys.
Yeah, and then Van Halen. Right here, right now.
Sweet.
And then you got...
I got these blanks. They sell good.
Do they?
Yeah. Better than those.
Are you going to make me a mixtape?
I'll make you a mixtape, honey. If you go steady with me.
You never did make me a mixtape.
And then Marcy and I are still trying to figure out the VHS thing. We found some WWF ones. And I don't know why we got the New Kids on the Block one.
Because it's New Kids on the Block.
Oh.
I don't know, I figured it probably saw.
This WWF one is still sealed. It's got Trish Stratus in a bikini on the cover. That's all you need to know.
I don't know who that is.
Oh, I do.
I'm sure you do.
Quiet Thunder. Charlie just thought this looked like a funny, like unintentionally funny Indiana Jones ripoff. Might be worth looking up to see if it's got resale value. And then we'll try to find some cheesy sci-fi horror type ones.
I feel like this has been on like Netflix or something
I don't know.
in the last year or so.
I don't know. We might have to watch it.
Yeah, definitely. They're kind of dusty.
Yeah. I think I had a lot of VHS. When we got there, some guy was digging through them and didn't seem to want us digging at the same time.
No.
Another Indiana Jones ripoff. Barbarian Queen 2, you know that's a classic. What was the last one? Naked Weapon.
Yeah, I don't know what that's all about.
We might have to watch it and find out. So, yeah, we don't know exactly what we found there, but that's the whole haul.
It's a whole shebang.
So no auction this week again, unfortunately. On October 1st, there are like 4 auctions in the area.
There is?
Yes.
You didn't tell me that.
I didn't want to get you all stressed out.
So how many are you going to?
At least 3.
All on the same day? They're
All on October 1st. There's a bunch of auctions.
Is it a Saturday?
Yeah.
Why do they do that?
Well, they don't talk to each other. Alright, I guess we're done here.
Yeah.
Thanks for stopping by. Keep watching. Hello to all my new subs. Nate, you should be out of surgery by now. I hope you're getting better, buddy.
Quit being a slacker.
Yeah, come on. Get off your ass.
Poor Nate. No, I hope you're feeling better, Nate.
Okay,
You
bye.
can carry it all in now.
Thanks, honey. I want my Marcy. My nose itches. That's good, because I don't even want to go to that place up on the square.
Why?
I've never found anything.
Oh, I find stuff there all the time.
Well, you're gifted. Stopping the video right now. Stopping.